光明照らして絶えざれば、不断好物と名付けたり、文功力のゆえなれば、神不断にて往生すると。The light shines everywhere ceaselessly. Thus, Amida is called Buddha of uninterrupted light. Because beings hear and apprehend this power of light, their mindfulness is enduring and they attain birth. The passage that I'm quoting from is taken from one of the wasan that was chanted as part of this morning service. This particular wasan is found in the Jodo wasan and in the section where Shinan Shonin praises the San Amida Butsuge, which was written by Donran Daishi. In this particular section, Shinan Shonin, through Donran Daishi, is helping us to understand the 12 attributes of Amida Buddha's light. And this particular wasan focuses on the light that is known as Fudanko, or Buddha of uninterrupted light. And in this particular section, we are told that this light of Amida Buddha does not stop. It is constantly shining. And because of that, the Buddha receives the name Fudanko Butsu. But the next line talks to us about the power that this light has, and this power is Monko Riki, the power of hearing light. And so this light of Amida Buddha, which represents the Buddha's wisdom, is constantly having us hear. And the thing that the vow is helping us to hear is basically the same thing. It is Namo Amida Butsu. And through Namo Amida Butsu, we hear and receive the heart of the Buddha that says, I will save you no matter what, or I will give up being a Buddha. Your life and my life are of equal value. And this is repeated to us over and over and over again by the Buddha. Why did the Buddha have to earn this power? Why did the Buddha want to have this ability? While growing up, my father would constantly tell me the same thing over and over and over again, to the point where I memorized what he was going to say. And I got so good at repeating his words that I was mimicking him, and I would finish the sentence before him. And that would upset him, but he would continue to finish what he was going to say. And one day I asked him, how many times are you going to repeat the same thing over and over? You know that I've memorized it. I'm finishing your sentence before you are. So why do you continue to say the same thing over and over and over again? When are you going to stop? And my father replied to me, I am not going to stop until you get it. I knew the words. I could say the words. But in my father's heart, he knew that based on my actions, I did not understand those words. And because of this, he would repeat these words over and over and over again. It did not matter whether I mimicked him or not. He was going to have me hear the words that he knew that I needed to hear. And he would repeat those words over and over and over again, because he knew I needed to hear it. Amida Buddha became the Buddha of uninterrupted light to hold the power of the light that can be heard, so that we can hear over and over and over again that our lives matter, that a Buddha is willing to sacrifice enlightenment itself, and in doing so, sacrifice its very existence on our behalf. because we need to hear that our lives do have meaning and value. There are experiences in our lives that oftentimes make us feel otherwise. And we sometimes think, why go on? Why do I need to put up with this? But the vow of the Buddha continues to repeat for us, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu. I need you to hear this name. I need you to understand that your life and my life is the same immeasurable life. So never ever feel that your life is not worth it, that your life has no value. Because far from that, I have fulfilled this vow to help you to understand that your life is immeasurable. And this name of immeasurable life and inconceivable light will be repeated for us over and over and over again.